Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Zoo Chat, where learning English is fun, friendly, and full of animals. I'm Leo the elephant.
And I'm Mimi the panda. Hello, English learners. Today we have a beautiful topic, like really beautiful.
Oh, yes, one of my favorite topics ever spending time in nature.
Nature. Trees, rivers, mountains, fresh air. I already feel relaxed.
Same here. Nature is not just beautiful, nature helps us feel calm, happy, and peaceful. And today we'll teach you easy English phrases to talk about spending time outdoors.
So take a deep breath, feel the fresh air, and let's begin.
Mimi, imagine this. It's Saturday morning. We both wake up feeling tired after a long week.
Yes, my eyes are like tiny sleepy panda eyes. I need something peaceful.
Exactly. So we decide, let's go to nature today. We walk out of the zoo gates down a small green path. And suddenly,
Wow, the forest is right there. Tall trees, green leaves, sunlight shining through the branches. It looks beautiful.
in the moment we step into the forest, everything becomes quiet. No cars, no noise, just nature.
Yes, just the sound of birds singing. Tweet, tweet. We stop for a moment and take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. That feels so good. You can use this English sentence. The air is so fresh.
And another one. I'm surrounded by nature.
Leo, look at the path. It's small and soft with leaves. I love walking on a natural path. It makes me feel peaceful.
Yes. And listeners, you can say, this place feels peaceful.
Oh, Leo, look to the right. There's a tiny river.
River. It's shining like silver in sunlight. The water is so clear I can almost see the stones at the bottom.
It looks magical, like a perfect nature movie. You can describe this by saying, I love being outdoors.
Mimi, don't you feel calmer already?
Yes, 100%. Even though we just arrived, I already feel relaxed.
That's the power of nature.
So in this section, we learn these phrases. The air is so fresh. I'm surrounded by nature. This place feels peaceful. I love being outdoors.
And now our nature adventure officially begins.
Okay, Leo, now that we are inside the forest, what should we do first?
I think the first thing is simple. We walk. Not fast. Not slow. Just a calm, relaxing walk.
Yes, a peaceful walk on the forest trail. And you can say this in English. I'm going for a nature walk.
Mimi loves walking slowly because she loves to look at everything.
Of course. Look, Leo. There's a butterfly. A blue one.
Oh, it's beautiful. And listeners, here's a useful phrase. I enjoy looking at nature.
Leo, do you hear that?
What?
The sound of leaves under our feet. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Ah, yes. That sound always makes me smile. It feels like nature is talking to us.
Exactly. And now the best thing. We stop for a moment and take deep breaths.
Inhale.
Exhale. You can say, I enjoy breathing the fresh air.
And another one. Nature helps me clear my mind.
Leo, do you know my favorite part?
Let me guess. You like to sit under a tree and relax?
Oh, yes. You know me too well. A big tree, soft grass, a quiet place. It's perfect. You can say, I like to sit under a tree and relax.
Listeners, nature is full of simple activities. Walking, breathing, looking at birds, listening to water, sitting in the shade.
Oh, and don't forget, some people like to take pictures in nature. You can say, I love taking photos of nature.
Mimi takes too many photos.
It's called art, Leo. Art.
Yes, a panda art. But these activities make us feel calm and happy.
Exactly. Nature doesn't need anything very long, just simple moments.
Mimi, have you noticed something strange?
Strange? Like a bear dancing? A monkey singing?
No, no. I mean something inside us. When we spend time in nature, something changes.
Eyes. I know exactly what you mean. Nature changes our feelings.
Exactly. For example, when I listen to the wind moving through the trees, hush, hush, I feel calm.
And when I look at the river slowly flowing, I feel peaceful, like my mind is taking a rest.
Here are some phrases you can use in English. I feel calm. This place is refreshing. Nature makes me feel relaxed. I feel peaceful inside.
Leo, I have a good one. When I hear birds singing, I feel like the world is giving me a tiny hug.
Oh, that's cute. A nature hug for the panda. You can say, nature makes me feel happy.
Yes. Sometimes when I'm stressed, I walk in nature for just 5 minutes.
And it feels like your stress is melting away.
Exactly. And you can say, nature helps me forget my stress.
Oh, and sometimes nature makes me feel alive. There, the colors, the sounds, everything wakes up my brain.
That's a good point. You can use this phrase. Nature makes me feel alive.
Mimi, you think nature is like medicine?
Yes, but the best part is, it's free.
Ah, true. No doctor, no pills, just trees, fresh air, and a little water.
And because it helps our emotions so much, many people go to nature to relax, think, or calm their mind.
Exactly. Nature is like a peaceful friend. Mimi, have you ever stayed outside until evening? You know, when the sun is going down.
Oh yes, Leo. That is my favorite part of nature. The sky changes colors. Pink, orange, purple. It feels like the sky is painting for us.
Exactly. And everything becomes so calm. The wind gets softer. The animals get quieter. It's like nature is whispering. Good job today. Now rest.
Ah, that's beautiful, Leo. And you can use some great English phrases here, like, the sunset is beautiful. The sky looks amazing. This is so peaceful.
Yes. When I sit on the grass and watch the sunset, I feel like my whole day becomes better.
Same here. Even if my day was busy or stressful, the evening in nature gives me a quiet mind.
You can also say, nature helps me end my day calmly.
Oh, and Leo, don't forget the animals. At sunset, birds start flying back to their nests, and sometimes you can hear crickets singing.
Yes, it's like the animals are saying good night.
Exactly. And here is a nice phrase for that feeling. Nature helps me slow down.
Mimi, do you ever think about your day when you're outside in the evening?
Yes, always. I think about what went well, what made me smile, and I breathe deeply.
That's a good point. You can say, nature helps me reflect on my day.
And when the sky gets dark and the stars begin to shine, that is the best moment.
Yes, a sky full of stars feels magical. You can use this phrase. The night sky is wonderful.
So, ending the day in nature is not just relaxing, it's healing.
Absolutely. It's the perfect way to finish a long day. Mimi, this was the best part of my day. When I spend time in nature, I feel calm, happy, and full of energy.
Me too. Nature helps me relax after a long, tiring day. Even a short walk makes my mood so much better.
Exactly. And this is the English phrase for that. Recharge your mind. It means nature gives your mind new energy.
Oh, and here's another one. Unplug from stress. It means forget your worries and enjoy the moment.
You're getting better at this, Mimi.
Thank you. And I hope our our listeners also feel inspired to step outside, look at the sky, listen to the birds, and enjoy nature.
Yes, even 5 minutes in nature can change your whole day. Yes, even 5 minutes in nature can change your whole day.